In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow all cookies in Opera browser. Cookies help websites remember you, keep you signed in, and store things like shopping carts and preferences. If you're troubleshooting a site that won't load correctly or keeps logging you out, allowing all cookies can quickly resolve those issues. I'll guide you through the relevant settings in Opera and explain what you're seeing so you can make an informed choice. First, open the Opera browser on your computer, give it a moment to load, and make sure you're on a regular browsing window. If you recently updated the browser, it's a good idea to wait until everything finishes syncing before changing settings. Next, look to the left side of the Opera window for the settings icon. It's the small gear symbol on the sidebar. Click it to open Opera's settings page. This is where you manage appearance, performance, and site behavior, including how cookies are handled. Inside Settings, find and select the Privacy and Security section. This area centralizes your privacy controls. You'll see options that affect what websites can store, how they track you, and what data the browser keeps on your device. Within Privacy and Security, click on Third-Party Cookies. This page explains how Opera treats cookies that come from sites other than the one you're actively visiting. First-party cookies come directly from the site in your address bar. Third-party cookies come from embedded content like videos, maps, or ad services. Allowing all cookies means both first-party and third-party cookies are permitted. That typically improves compatibility, streamlined logins, remembered settings across services, and fewer something went wrong messages. The trade-off is reduced privacy, since third-party cookies can be used to track activity across different sites. Take a moment to review the descriptions on this page so the setting reflects your intention to allow all cookies. After you've reviewed it, return to your browsing. If a site was misbehaving before, refresh the page to let the new cookie policy take effect. You can always come back here later to tighten restrictions if you want a more privacy-focused setup.